Frugivores, welcome back. Welcome to the Garden of Freedom. Today I'm going to show you everything that I eat in a day on a raw vegan diet, aka the Frugivore diet. Yes, I'm back on the Frugivore diet, back for good. And some of you might be like, what? You keep changing your mind? Well, look, this is it. And I know I've said it before, but this is it. And I made a post about it on my Instagram page if you want to go and check out that post and follow me on Instagram. Like, the thing is, most people who do a raw vegan diet go back and forth, but I'm honest about it. Not everyone is. So that's why it might seem like I'm going back and forth and back and forth. But look, it's always the ultimate for me. It's always been the ultimate. And I think a lot of you realize that about me. So today we're going to get into it. If you want to see a dedicated video on why I'm coming back to the Frugivore diet, then let me know. There's a little bit of drama involved. And I'll consider making that video. All right, let's get into it. What I eat in a day on the Frugivore diet. So hang around till the end of the video where I show you some super yummy, savory, raw vegan dinners that I've been having on the Frugivore diet. And we're just coming out of wet season, out of monsoon season now. So I haven't made many videos because it's raining all the time, but dry season's coming up. So I will be making more videos. So breakfast on the Frugivore diet might be my orange Fanta, which is frozen strawberries blended with fresh orange juice. It is so fizzy, it is so delicious, and it's of course rich in vitamin C, which aids collagen production. It's great for enhancing iron absorption, super healthy, you really have to try it. Or I might have a strawberry Daterade. You know my strawberry Daterade, full of dates, which contain high levels of prebiotics, such as dietary fiber and polyphenols. Great for repopulating your gut, especially if you had antibiotics or something like that. And I usually have about a litre of carrot juice every single day. I drink it mostly for the beta-carotene benefits. I love the glow it gives my skin, even in the middle of winter, and it helps improve vision. It's great for eye health, and it can be protective for our internal mucous membranes. Really, really important. So for lunch, I might have some fruit from the land, like soursop, Rollinia, ice cream bean, or just have a mono meal of homegrown bananas, because we've got a lot. I'm a banana girl, right? Everyone who wants to have long-lasting energy and vitality should be having a minimum of 10 bananas a day, in my opinion. And I'm the banana girl, I know. You know, I've been eating quite a few ackee as well lately. We've been growing them ourselves, and it's really exciting because it's a delicious, thick, cheesy fruit. And it's actually more savory than sweet, and I actually find it quite salty. It's delicious, very nutritious, and actually rich in vitamin A, zinc, and protein. And vitamin A in particular can help fight free radical damage and inflammation in your body. So get some ackee, it's amazing. By the way, before we get on to dinner, I want to let you know about my one-on-one private audio daily coaching and my meal plan creation service. And I now offer both of these services, and I'm really enjoying it, I've had clients ever since day one, so I'm quite busy. But if you want to learn more about the service and take your life to the next level, then I'll put a link in the description below, so check it out. So dinner, we eat at 4 p.m. We're like grandpa and grandma. We eat really early and we love it. And I always make sure I have at least 1,800 to 2,000 calories of sweet fruits in my belly before even contemplating dinner, okay? And the reason for this is because we're frugivores, right? We're frugivores first and foremost, so we must take care of our sweet needs, our sweet fruit needs, or else we're more likely to develop deficiencies of some sort and then look to cook food to try and fill that need. And we don't want to do that. We're raw vegan and we don't want to look to cook food. So the dinners that I've been having, either a mono meal of fruit, of jackfruit, because the season has just begun. So we have been feasting on homegrown jackfruit. It's amazing. Or if I want savory, like last night, I made a couple of plates of sushi rolls with an apple pulp rice, which is really interesting. And I loaded it with these sauces and chili jams that I prepared for the week. They were crazy good. It wasn't exactly ideal food combining, but I can get away with it a few times a week. It's no biggie. And the nori is a great source of the mineral iodine, which can help with the efficiency of your thyroid gland. And I've been making also banana sushi, which works quite well. And it's just adding sliced banana, for some more bite and texture, and helping make the dinner even more healthy, because bananas, you can never have enough. Another dinner you can find in my Raw Till 4 book is my Thai mango pasta, which is just delicious, and it's made using soaked rehydrated mango or fresh mango with Thai herbs. And it's a really tasty, satisfying noodle dish, which I make like a couple of times a week. Or I've been making these sweet pepper poppers. So yeah, that's what I've been eating on the Frugivore diet, and I love it. I'm so much more excited for life when I'm on the Frugivore diet. And yes, raw till 4 is amazing, and some of you will stop there. You won't eat anything, you won't go to the Frugivore diet, and that's fine. But it just doesn't work for me long term. It really doesn't, to have that cooked meal for dinner. For a lot of people it does, that is fine, and I'm not asking you to change or anything like that, but we're all individuals as far as our past goes. We've had different paths, we need to respect that, and we have limitations and boundaries we need to respect. So I can speak more about that anyway. Anyway, yeah, that's my video for today. Loving being back here. Leave comments down below why you're on the Frugivore diet, or why you're on a raw vegan diet, like what makes you stick to it and why do you enjoy it so much. We all love to hear the inspiration from you, so yeah, and don't forget to go fruit yourself today. Check out my services. I can help you succeed on a fruit-based diet, no problem. I've been doing it 17 years and I'm coming up to 43 years young soon, and would love to assist you. Follow me on Instagram and I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to go fruit yourself.